Are you having trouble with a lack of memory on your phone? Or are new pictures and videos on Telegram loading slowly? This might be a sign that you should check how much cached memory Telegram has accumulated and clear it. Let's get started. After opening the Telegram app, click on the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner of the screen. Then open Settings. Since we're focusing on cache memory today, click on Data and Storage. At the top, you'll see Storage Usage and Data Usage. Click on Storage Data. On this screen, you'll see the amount of cached memory that Telegram has filled up. This includes videos, miscellaneous files, profile pictures, stickers, and more. Don't be afraid to delete this memory, as all media files remain on Telegram's cloud or on your device if you've downloaded them. Click the Clear Cache button. Confirm your decision. And that's it. You've freed up unnecessary data on your phone, and your Telegram app will run faster. That's it for this video. Subscribe to our channel for more similar tutorials.